She bad.
Hold on, hold on. I had to come back. I'm not even gonna go without talking. You guys see I had a little trouble with installing the wig, and I feel like I have that trouble a lot with wigs because first of all, that's all scalp right there. Anyways, I feel like my head is either too small because like the way they do the combs, yeah, it's so uncomfortable. Like you guys saw, I was struggling with the comb. I took the thing out. But this would be my glueless install. I'm not gonna glue. Y'all, this whole video I've been sweating making this video. Like I'm literally sweating OD. I'm not gonna do baby hairs. I like the natural look, but I gotta find a way to, I might just stick this down with Got To Be, the freezing blast. Yeah, I might stick that down with Got To Be. Either way, it sticks down good. You guys see that? But y'all, this is Afsister transparent lace. Is it? Yes, this is Afsister transparent lace wig, y'all, and I am totally in love. I'm loving the natural look it gives me. And y'all, I recommend this wig 100%. Y'all know Afsister is my dog. Like, I love Afsister. That's my favorite company. And the curls hold good. I'm liking this natural looking curl look. Feel me? I feel like somebody's mom or whatever, but I'm jacking it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. On the road to 36K. Let's get it. Let's go. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I'm packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.